All right, today we're working on my 65 Valiant. It's not too bad a shape considering it's a 65. It does have some rust starting on this side. The bottom of the doors are just starting to bleed through, so that'll have to be addressed. I find with these cars, like a city car that sits on the street, the passenger side's always nice. So let's go to the driver's side and I'll show you what I'm working on. So there we go. This side's far worse. So we'll start at the front. It's got some of that. This whole fender is really hurting. Pieces that were in there, that's the fender piece. That's what was in there. Oh, it was just not good. And this was the back piece. But other than that, underneath, I'll do a vid underneath. This thing's actually pretty good. Other than just the driver's side from sitting on the road getting splashed by road grime and salt. Here in Canada, that is what happens. All right, we decided to not order the panel, just go ahead and wing it. And here we go. So this is what I've been doing. This is the piece that I cut out. This was rather horrible. So I cut that out. And I made cardboard templates for all this stuff first, arts and crafts. And then I built this one piece. I ended up splitting it just to get it so it's nice and perfect. That's a separate piece. This I built in one piece, but then I split it in the center just to kind of get it to do what I wanted it to do. And then the lip is a separate piece as well. And I'm just using the MIG welder here, as long as you don't get stuff too hot. Tap, tap, tap. A lot of straight edge. Just to get it going here. I'm going to weld this out and grind it, and then I'm going to show you guys how straight and how good this turned out. All right, rip through that. Got all my pieces welded together. It's not perfect, but it's not too bad. So 6 hours later, I've got it done instead of waiting for 6 weeks and paying a G note. So this car is going to be a daily driver, so that'll be just fine. I'm going to use some undercoating. I've got a cold galvanizing compound I'm going to hit it with on the inside. And yeah, so I've got a few more spots to do. I'm going to rip through this, and then this car is going to be my daily driver, and I just love it.